Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, and we're going to talk today about 10-minute buccal fat pad reduction. We're starting on the patient's right side. We're going to make an incision through the mucosa with a scalpel, and then we'll take an instrument, and an experienced surgeon should be able to locate the buccal fat pad quite easily. And on most patients, there's a lot of fat that comes out of here, and we're going to reduce this. We don't want to take out every single bit of fat. We just want to reduce this as per the needs per that particular patient. And we want to do this bloodlessly, so we'll use a bipolar forceps, and this enables us to seal off any blood vessels to prevent bleeding or hematoma. And the incision is closed quite easily with a single resorbable stitch, which does not need to be removed. Now we go to the patient's other side, and on the left we'll make an incision through the mucosa with a scalpel. You can see that there are blood vessels in that area, so there's some minor bleeding. An experienced surgeon should have no problem locating the buccal fat pad. The instrument is placed in the cheek compartment, and the buccal fat pad is easily isolated and delivered into the oral cavity. It is generally at least the size of a ping pong ball, on some patients smaller, some patients larger. It's important not to remove excess fat. We remove the fat using a bipolar forceps. This is important as there are blood vessels in the fat pad, and you don't want bleeding into the cheek that can cause hematoma or other complications. Finally, at the end of the procedure, the other side is closed with a single gut suture, and you can see that the entire procedure only takes about 10 minutes. Some before and after pictures. The after on the right, you can see that the patient has a defined cheek, and the buccal fat reduction is more evident in the lower part of the cheek that creates this depression that people like. Some people have very round faces and they want to define their cheek area, and this is what we do with buccal fat reduction. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Dr. Joe Niamtu, lovethatface.com. Visit our website for more pictures and information.